जी बोलिए।
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Anshita. Today, I am going to give a speech on the topic importance of goals in our life. So, basically, if in simple terms I say what is importance of goals, it basically means giving the attention and our precious time to any necessary things in our life. And it also allows us to create a vision in our life, like how we are going to live a life in the future. So setting a goals also sets the boundaries and some priorities in our life, like whom to approach first if you are focusing on your goals, and also it also sets some priorities, like and the one more thing, that is if obviously we all have some many long term goals. To achieve that long term goals, we must have some short term goals, by which you will also learn how to build that strategies to achieve the long term goals. And if you achieve the short term goal, then you will also get motivation and confidence to achieve your long term goals. And the main thing, that is obstacles, that is a part of the success. So it will also teaches you how to fight with the obstacles, like it might be your family problems, any kind of financial things and emotional things. So these all are things. So I think if we all wanna achieve some long term goals, we must follow some points, like consistency. We must follow consistency. Self discipline is a must, and one more thing, that is meditation. And we must focus on our goals, and we should not be procrastinated again and again. So I would like to conclude my speech by giving a quote given by the Albert Einstein, that is, if you all want to live a happy life, so you must tie your life with any goal, not to the people or things.
Wow.
So that's all. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am RN Mishra. I want to tell you the importance of setting and pursuing goal in our lives. Actually, the goals are the cornerstones of the personal growth process, motivations, and achieving something that you want to achieve in your life. So first and foremost, the goals are the roadmaps, like the map without GPS. If you are having a goal to achieve, you can follow the path to achieve a goal, and you will get motivated from it, and you will get confident to more work towards your goals. If you are working aimlessly in your life, you won't you just wandering all around your the stuffs that you are doing, but you will not get a fulfillment that actually you are working on. Secondly, I would say goals provides you the confidence and the motivation to achieve a certain thing that you are that you have to achieve in your life. Firstly, I would say that if you are working over something that you want to achieve in your life, so once you get at the mark, you will face a feeling of satisfaction that you have achieved something, a feeling of fulfillment that you have achieved something in your life. You will appreciate your effort. During the process of achieving, you will face some hurdle. You will definitely have obstacles that you have to cross, and you will achieve that goal. So that will make you a perfect personality. The goal will be a personal goal, for fitness goal, your personal goal development, personality development, and a sector that many of have the diverse destination to get on. So we can set our goal accordingly. I would say moreover that if you are working on a goal, you have to be consistent, more disciplined towards it. You have to provide your 100%. You have to give your 100% towards the stuff that you are doing. Once you reach up to the mark, you will feel improvement in your personality, as well as your society that you are living in. If you are doing great, you are doing innovative, you will show it in your society, which will make development in our society. It will be innovative. So I will take an example of one of the achievement that mankind has done, that we have set a goal to reach onto the moon, the darker side of the moon. So that we have set a goal and we work on it, and we have achieved. So that is the process. If you are setting a goal, you will face difficulties. You have to be a part of a process. You have to keep improving yourself, and once you get up to the mark, you will feel a satisfaction that you are working on a certain thing. So I would say that important, the setting goal is not just important, it is necessary for us. Thank you.